Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Let's Crack OPSC. Hope all of your preparation going well, and as we are also providing you the CSAT classes, if you will combine our test series, Master Key test series that we provide in 599 rupees, 40 high quality sets, and with this CSAT classes, you can easily prevail in prelim examination. So without delay, join our test series. You can also download the sample copy from the link given below in the description. If you are interested, then say hi, I am interested in your test series in my email address abishoi27@gmail.com. And we have also started, for our new YouTube subscribers, we have also started the dedicated prelim crash course. 2 month subscription will cost you 798 rupees. If you are interested, you can join that too. In that subscription course, we are also providing all the important syllabus portion of prelim syllabus. We are covering it in the prelim crash course. So if you are interested, then without delay do join it. And as OPSC has deferred the date of prelim examination, I have repeated that in many of my videos. I am repeating that in the same video. You can devote this particular time in strengthening your optional. The moment your optional is strong, then I would say more than half of the battle, 60% of the battle is over, because your optionals hold the key. Your optionals hold the key for your selection in the final selection. If you are really want to be one among these 392 candidates, successful candidate, then you supposed to be devoting this particular time where OPSC has deferred the date and has not declared. Even most of the serious aspirants in this particular time will tend to relax. You not supposed to relax. You supposed to be going for the kill. You supposed to be thinking it as a God sent opportunity that to strengthen your optional. Try to focus, divert, get materials from whichever sources you find, because there is so much of a material available in Google and YouTube. You can also go and search for many of the serious aspirants. They are asking me about which optional and their guidance. I would suggest all of you to Google it and YouTube it. Whichever optional you are having, there will be people who might be guiding you in either in the Google or in the YouTube. Search it and make a list of what are the important books required for your optional, and collect the books. You can also order it from Amazon, you can also order it from Flipkart. All this, whichever mode available at right now, you can order it. Then after getting all the material, what you supposed to be doing? You supposed to be converting those material into notes which can easily revised by you. The more revision you will make, the better answers you will produce in the main answer sheet. That is the point. The point is how better answer you can write. Your answer should stand out from the crowd. ଯେତିକି ବି ଜଣ ପିଲା ଅଛନ୍ତି ସେମାନଙ୍କ ମଧ୍ୟରୁ ତମର ଆନ୍ସରଟା ଅନ୍ୟ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କଠୁ ଭିନ୍ନ ହବା ଦରକାର, ବହୁତ ଭଲ ହବା ଦରକାର। ସେଇ ଜିନିଷଟା ସେତେବେଳେ ସମ୍ଭବ ହବ ଯେତେବେଳେ ତମେ ଭଲ ମେଟେରିଆଲ ସୋର୍ସେସ୍ କଲେକ୍ଟ କରିଥିବ, ତାକୁ ନୋଟରେ କନଭର୍ଟ କରିବ, ତାକୁ ରିଭିଜନ as many times as possible, and you can produce better answers. I hope you got this particular point. I am repeating it so that it goes to your head, so that you do not waste time, this particular time where most of the students can relax. Do not relax. It is not the time to relax. It is put your you can say leg on the accelerator and overtake from others. So this is the time. Today we will be doing another CSAT class, very important class. Missing letter are given in proper sequence as one of the alternative. Choose the correct alternative. Whenever you find this kind of a question, try to go from the option side. I would suggest whenever you get this kind of option A, B, C, B, C, D, Z, Y, K, K, Z, Y, this kind of a thing, try to go from the option side and put it here if it is complete. You have to find it out. You can see BA. You can see C is coming BAC. BAC means BAC. You can find a relation. You can see if you will put B, then B here, then C here, C here, it is not going to solve your problem. It is going to expand your problem. Let's start with the option B. You can put C here, C, again C, again B, and again A. Let's see, BAC, 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 BAC. So always go from the option direction. Whenever you get this kind of a question, always try to go from the option direction and go for trial and error method. Trial and error, you just put a option there and see whether error is there. Then go for the another option. Go for the another option. Because I got the answer in B, I did not have to check C or D. If you are checking, then it is okay, but it is a waste of time. Time is very, very important. In CSAT preparation, time is very, very important. When you got this in the answer B, option B only, then no need to check C and D. So the answer here is option B. Option B is the answer. Now, choose the missing term out of the given alternative. DHL, PTX, BFJ. Then what is the next one? You can see what is the link between D and P. You can see D here and P here. D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 difference. Then after P, then again B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and again 12. There is again a difference of 12. Then after B, what will be the next? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That is N. You got the answer. You got the answer, that is B. You can check the second and third letters, but that depends upon you, whether you want to check or not, because it will save your time. See, let's see, H, T, F, H, again T, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then F, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Again 12. Then next has to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. R is also there. Then L, X, J. L is there. L. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. X, J. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. J. J is there. Then what will be the next? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That is B. That is NRB. NRB is the answer. I hope you are getting this kind of a thing. But if you get in the first cracking itself, need not have to go for the second or third, because that will be a waste of time. But you can confirm it. If you really want to confirm, you can confirm it. Then choose the missing term out of the given alternative. AZ, AG, Y. We will find out what is the relation. AZ, AG, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is the difference. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again M. Another 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is S. S means I got the answer within 5 seconds. The moment you write it, your 80% job is over. I am repeating that in many of the videos. A to Z you have to write. Post writing, 80% of the work is over. Now find the relation from the first word or first letter to the next one, the post which you can establish the relation and you can find the next, will be the next relation. Then G, T, N. You can see G, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. G, T, N. Okay. Z, sorry. Z. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then N. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. H. That is H is also there. So you got the answer, that is this B. S and H. S and H will be the next in the series here, and post that you will get the sequence right. Now coming to one particular problem. Two trains running in the same direction at 90 km and 60 km respectively. Two trains are moving in the same direction. One is moving at 90 km, second one is running at 60 km per hour. The faster train crosses the passenger sitting in the slower train in 27 seconds. The faster train crosses the person sitting in the slower train in 27 seconds. Means total length of the train is covered within 27 seconds. Okay. The length of the faster train is, they are asking us what is the length of the faster train. Now you see the time taken, we have said that it is 27 seconds. A person is sitting here. Person is static, almost static, and the person is, though he is moving in a train, but he is sitting or standing, that is static. Yeah, and that person, the train is crossing that particular person. Okay, the entire length of the train is crossing. You can see in the entire length of the faster train is crossed in 27 seconds. Now relative speed. This is the problem related to relative speed. Relative speed is what? 90%, 90 km per hour minus 60 km per hour. 90 km is this train's speed and 60 km is slower train speed. That is 30 km per hour. The faster train is moving 30 km per hour more than slower train. Now length of the faster train, you have to convert that 30 km into meter per second. How will you convert into meter per second? 30 km per hour into 5 by 18. Simple. 5 by 18 is the rule. If you will convert that 30 into 5 by 18, you will get this figure. 8.33 meter per second. What is the speed of the train? Speed of the faster train is 8. Means faster train is 8.33 meter per second. Now you know that the faster train is crossing the person in 27 seconds. Then what will be the length of the faster train? Simple, it is speed into time. If you will take speed is 8.33 into time is 27 seconds, then you get this figure, that is 225 meters. What is the length of the faster train? It is 225 meters. So the answer is here is D. D is the answer, 225 meter. I hope you got this particular discussion. Do get serious about your exam, about whatever you prepare. Make a schedule of the day. What I have to cover, what things left to be done, and how you can also download the especially the previous year question paper and try to solve it. The more you will practice, the better the results will be in your CSAT paper. CSAT is all about practice and decision making. I hope you got this particular point. Do take care of yourself and your family members. Do get vaccinated as soon as possible. Help few others too in getting themselves registered and get themselves vaccinated. Thank you very much. Happy learning.